tower. No, wait, I'm wrong. That's our tower. You just come out over here. And then this is the pool. Use your room key to get in. Open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. There's a look at the bar over there, the wave maker. You can get your snacks and drinks. It's pretty good size. Looks like fun. Hey, buddy. Are you ready to give the room tour? You want to show everybody our suite at Dockside? Okay, let's go. Oh, bless you. Okay, let's go on the tour. Yes, that's the mirror. Okay, so we have a 2-bedroom suite here at Universal Endless Summer Dockside Inn & Suites. There are 2 double beds out here in the first room. Big screen TV. Got a surfing mural there on the wall, that's cute. 2 vanities in there with 2 sinks. And you've got a picnic table out here with plenty of seating. And you just put your key card into the slot here on the wall and it turns on all the power. And this is your little mini kitchenette. If you want to store any snacks, you have a pretty good size refrigerator. It's a little bigger than your standard mini fridge in the hotel rooms. And you've got a microwave and sink and coffee maker over here for in the morning. And in the drawer here, you have your coffees and condiments and some silverware. More storage underneath if you need to store some snacks. And then you have the second bedroom in here, which is another double bed and another TV, which is nice. A little shelf there, light, and lights over here with USB outlets and a remote that has been cleaned, which is nice, and another light and another USB over there. So you can charge your electronics while you sleep. And we have a pool view. So there's our view of the pool. It looks really pretty from right here. We're on the first floor, which we made a request for, to be on the first floor and away from the elevators. A little bit quieter. Obviously not right now because it's daytime and everybody's at the pool. But we didn't want to be by the elevators, so we made a request for over here. And this looks great. And now we'll come back out and we'll take a look at the bathroom. You've got 2 sinks here and plenty of towels underneath and a hair dryer and outlets on the wall. And then you've got your tub and your toilet and shower, and amenities are in here. You have shampoo, conditioner, and bath bar. And then once again, you also have the rack in case you need to hang clothes. Oops, pull this out and attach it over there, and you can hang your clothes. And that's it. We'll go back out here into the main room with our 2 beds, which are really pretty. I love the surf and sand motif. I love these photos on the wall. They're really pretty. Boats and docks and surfers. And another remote for the TV that's been cleaned. And a little hand sanitizer, that's nice. And clock. And I'll show you the view out the other window here of the pool. And it's beautiful. Love the landscaping. All right, I think this is gonna be great. We are here for one night and we're gonna go check things out. All right, what do you think, bud? Gonna go have some fun? Yeah, okay, let's go. One more thing I forgot to mention, we've got the phone right here. You've got a little bit of a rundown of your hotel services And things you might need to know, you've got a pen and some paper right here in case you have to jot anything down. And you've got 3 drawers of storage right here, which is kind of the only storage there is out here, except for those underneath the sink there in the kitchen. There's no closet out here in this main room. You just have the closet that's in this second room here, and it's pretty tiny. So if you have a lot of people here, you're not gonna be able to store a lot of stuff. This is the only closet right here. And you've got your ironing board and iron and some hangers, the extra pillows up there, but this is it. It's pretty tiny. It's got our suitcase and backpack in there, and that's really all that fits. So if you have a lot of people staying in this room, there's not really a lot of places to store luggage except for that tiny closet in this room right here. That's pretty much it. You would just have to have your luggage out. So if that's not something that you like, if you like to put things away, you might not want to stay in this room, but we're okay. We don't mind. And it's only one night, so I mean, who really cares? All right, have a look at the beds and that art on the wall, which I really enjoy.